Most smartphone speakers do not offer adequate sound quality for the thrills you expect while listening to music. A very few flagship smartphones are concerned about providing decent audio. So if you do not own a flagship, certainly you will find yourself in need of a speaker for daily usage, as you can replace your smartphone's existing speaker. To help you out, Mili has brought the world's first magnetic Bluetooth speaker to enhance your listening experience, yet at a much reasonable price. But is it worthy enough to be your everyday smartphone accessory? To find out the answer, we set out to review the Mili Mag SoundMate and get to know about its pros and cons. Here is what we learned. Starting with the unboxing, you will find a user manual, a quality assurance card, 2 solid metal rings that will let you stick the speaker anywhere, a Type-C charging cable, and the Mili Mag SoundMate itself. The speaker comes in a very compact size, and you can easily carry it in your bag or pocket as it weighs only 80 grams. The body of the speaker feels very premium, and the top is covered with grippy fabric that gives a more vibrant look. On the front of the speaker, you will find a button that blinks when pressed, and it can assist you with multiple functionalities. Once paired with your smartphone, you can attach it to any metallic object, as its powerful magnet firmly holds onto one place. Even if you do not find any metallic objects, you can stick it anywhere with the sticky rings that come with the speaker. For instance, you can attach it to your table, refrigerators, or any other suitable places that you visit too often. So no matter where you go, the Mili Mag SoundMate can boost up your audio experience. This mini device not only attaches to your iPhone 12, but is also compatible with its MagSafe function, which means you will be able to charge your speaker wirelessly. It can also hold your smartphone while you watch movies, play games, or listen to tracks. Now let's jump into the main concern, the audio quality. Listening on a smartphone lacks enough bass, and sometimes you can't even hear properly. This loudspeaker can amplify the audio to quite an extent and add extra bass to your phone. It produces enough sound to listen to while being in a group or crowded place. Though, it's not the kind of speaker to be played outside. You can have enriched audio quality indoors and enjoy movies and other content with more punchy bass and trebles. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, the speaker gives you a strong and stable connection with your devices. Another features that make it stand out is its wireless stereo features. With this mode, you can pair 2 or more speakers to play at the same time from different corners. Pairing is also very simple. You have to press both the speaker's buttons till the light starts blinking and enters pairing mode. Then by pressing 2 times on any of the speaker's buttons, you will be able to connect them. With this wireless stereo connection, you can be at different corners of the house and still be able to listen to music, as it can cover up to 10 meters. The Mili Mag SoundMate offers excellent battery life at this size. Getting such a battery life from the speaker is quite amazing. Once you fully charge the speaker, you can get up to 8 hours of playtime. And the USB-C ensures fast charging, and you can fully fuel up the speaker within 1.5 hours. Though smartphone companies are developing more powerful audio speakers for their phones, yet a dedicated speaker packs a lot more features to boost up your regular listening experience. And this mini speaker from Mili undoubtedly provides greater audio quality, adding more thumps and rumbles. Nevertheless, it does not offer the same as other compact Bluetooth speakers available in the market. Considering the price range, the performance it provides is truly amazing. So do we recommend it? Well, of course. Especially if you're not a fan of spending much, but looking to enhance your smartphone's audio quality. So get yourself one of these to have your needs fulfilled. That was all about the Mili Mag SoundMate. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.